If you are creating a design with multiple images, such as a gallery in Affinity, you might insert the images by dragging them from the folder like this, or by clicking on File, select Place, then select the images and click Open. But it's going to be a hassle since you'll need to resize them one by one to get the correct dimension. It will become complicated, especially when the images have different orientation. Some are portrait and some are landscape. Let me show you how to do it faster and more efficient. I've set up a canvas here. Now I'm gonna grab the picture frame rectangle tool. If it's not here, you can click the three dots here. With tools selected, click the search box to find the picture frame rectangle tool. Then drag it here. So now I've selected the picture frame rectangle tool. I'm gonna draw the frame on my canvas about this size. Next, I'll select the Move tool and copy the frame by pressing Alt and Shift, then drag it to the right. Then I press Ctrl Z twice to duplicate two more, select all, and align them to center. Now I'm gonna press Ctrl A to select all, press Alt and Shift, and drag them downward to duplicate. Select all once more to align all to center. Now I got all 8 frames ready. Next, I'll go to File, then click Place, and select the images to insert in the frames. I have 8 frames and I got 8 images here. So I'm gonna select all and click Open. Now all the images I selected are displayed here on the left. I can move my cursor on the picture frame and simply click on it to place the image. If the placement is not right, I can double-click the image to resize. I can also move them to adjust the position. So that's all about how to insert multiple images using Picture Frame Rectangle tool in Affinity. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks for watching and good day.